In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and customize your brushes in Clip Studio Paint. First, launch Clip Studio Paint and let it load your workspace. We'll spend our time in the Subtool palette, which is the panel that lists your individual brushes. If you don't see it, look for the palette labeled Subtool next to the Tool palette. You can also open it from the Window menu if it's hidden. With the Subtool palette visible, start by reordering your brushes so the ones you use most are always within reach. Click and hold any brush, then drag it up or down the list. When you release, it drops into the new position. This simple drag and drop cleanup can dramatically speed up your workflow, especially if you place your daily drivers at the top. Next, create folders to group similar brushes. Right-click inside the Subtool palette and choose Create New Tool Group. A new group appears ready to be named. Give it a clear, functional title such as inking, painting, pencils, or textures. Meaningful names make it effortless to find the right tool mid-project. Now drag brushes into those groups. Just click a brush and drop it onto the group until you see it highlight, then release. Organize by purpose, style, or project, whatever helps you think clearly. If you ever change your mind, you can move brushes between groups the same way, and your changes are non-destructive. To make your list even more glanceable, customize the brush icons. Right-click a brush and choose Settings of Subtool, then Open Icon Settings. Here you can switch to an icon that better represents how the brush behaves, helping you recognize it faster as you scan. Pick icons that are visually distinct so similar tools don't blur together. Finally, adjust how large those icons appear. Open the Subtool palette's menu, then change the grid size. Larger grids are great on high-resolution displays or when you want fewer, bolder icons. Smaller grids fit more brushes on screen for minimal scrolling. Choose the size that balances visibility with space. Take a moment to test your setup. Try switching between a few brushes, note what feels slow, and tweak the order, groups, icons, or grid size until everything feels intuitive. A few minutes of organization now pays back every time you sit down to draw. Remember, organization is personal. Revisit your groups as your toolset grows. Keep names consistent, avoid duplicates, and update icons when you import new brushes so your library stays clean.